Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's hold for a while home screen with our finger, then tap to the widgets icons and all the same. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar schedule. Just click on the widget and now it's added automatically to your home screen. Also, you could click here to this plus icon and by the same way to select one from the available widgets. Tap to add and that's it. To move widgets on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag the widget. We could also resize them by hold and then we could make them bigger or smaller. And to remove widget from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove widget icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.